How to add Smart Home Lock to Smart HomeX app. First, turn on the keypad and go into the administrative mode. Press 4 for wireless configure setting. And press Smart Configure. Then go to the app Smart Home X. Click the plus sign on the top right. Add device. Scroll. Camera and lock. Scroll to lock. Click the top right to easy mode. Double check that the system is blinking. From blinking, click next. At this point, it will prompt you to input your Wi-Fi for configuration. Once you have input the password for your Wi-Fi, it will go into configuration. It'll take a little while, but once it is ready, this is what it'll look like.